surfaces. All cans are connected to one line, one snake. This part up here is the zero air generator part. Down here is the vacuum system. Here are the two options I was talking about. Either you have the steer humidifier to pre-humidify the zero air, and of course we have a relative humidity sensor. And this part consists of a rough pump, which is a scroll pump, and down here a molecular jet pump. At the moment we don't have these parts mounted, so this is just not. We are just having these parts. Speaking about the valves, valve A to F, these control the system. These two, B and C, are normally open valves to provide the zero air generator to constant flow, so even if the system is not running, air is passing through it all the time. This red valves are manual valves. During the process they always stay in the same position. This one is open and this one is closed, and we included these into the system so we can use the vacuum system for other applications. The other valves are normally closed valves, and there are also these combination of valve positions. So either A or B is open, which means either you have humidified air, then A is open, or B is open when you want to have dry air, or C or D is open, which means either you vent, or D is open, then you flush the whole system. And like I already said, if you want to use the vacuum system, then you have to close off the whole system up here and close G and open H. This is the layout of the system. The upper level is where the manifold is and the oven. Here are some canisters. Down here is the zero air generator. This little vessel in the back is the humidifier. Up here you find some of the valves and the pressure gauge. Maybe you wonder where the pump is. I know the last picture had a pump right here. So we are using a different pump at the moment, so this little tube here, which goes straight to the picture, connects the pump to the system. So here we have pictures of the electronics on the valve. Let me start with the electronics. Here are the solid slip-out valves, which are connected to the pneumatic valves, and I need them to control the pneumatic valve. Then I have this relay board, which I need to control the slip-out valve. Right here in the middle is the connector block, which uses as an interface between all the devices and the data acquisition board inside the computer. Here's the module to condition the RTD signals. Down here is the solid state relay, which I need to control the heat lamps, and the heat lamps are provided with 120 volts, so I need this special relay which can carry this high current. And there's my power supply. And here are some of the valves I already talked about, the pneumatic valves, which are controlled by the compressed air. These are